Steve Baser here, application engineer at Lincoln Electric. Today I'm going to show you how to locate the battery and change the battery on our 2450 series welding hood. So when you flip it over, you'll note this has two batteries up top. So we're going to release the bottom. This is going to pull out. Now we're going to have access for the grind mode button up here. We're going to unplug that. Once we pull it out, we're going to go ahead and push out this internal here. Just like that. Then you'll see our two batteries here. So this is going to come with two CR2450 3-volt batteries. These batteries come standard in our 1840, 2450, and our 3350 hoods. So something to keep in mind, you should keep two of these on hand. So we would replace the battery. Go ahead and work the grind mode button cable out. Make sure it's not kinked in there. Click that back in like there. Grind mode button's good to go. Make sure it's nice and snug. Lock, lock. It's as easy as that. Now you're ready to go welding.